Are you ready?
I am.
Without baffle.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go on.
That sound.
Hold on.
Oh, this picture.
No, it's a video.
Oh shit.
Hello, Jamie. How hard was that baffle to get out?
Extremely.
Look, this is what you need to get a baffle out of Remus Revolution.
You need
a little screwdriver,
3 screwdrivers,
a big screwdriver, a pair of long nose, whatever you want to call them, a mag light, and a massive hammer.
And some brute strength.
Which I provided.
I'm trying to find an 8mm bolt now.
What a monster.
Mate, just cable tie it on.